Today I'm showing you our new irrigation system. This system in front of you here is called an ESP9V, very special here, you know. It controls all of our new water beds, all the water that goes to our beds, watering it every morning, so we don't have to. This is really good for us because now the students don't have to wake up every morning so early to go water it. And we just have this system that does it for us. And that's because of Rainbird. They donated this. There's actually two of them, but that one's locked right now. This right here is helping us water every bed through these pipes. Oh yeah, so also special thanks to Jeff Fernandez from Irrigation. He helped us find the pipes that we needed and set it up for us too. And then we just set up Rainbird, which is really simple and easy. We appreciate that a lot. Yeah, we're really grateful to have all this. Gets all watered in the morning and everything we needed. It's really great. Thank you.